Hey there, I'm Lily, and these are my maps for Lab 2. Here I have my map of the percentage of male population employed in manufacturing, as well as my map of the percentage of females employed in educational services, healthcare, and social assistance. All the data for these maps was sourced from the National Historical Geographical Information System, which is a database that provides summary tables and time series of population, housing, agriculture, and economic data. This is available for geographers and really any other data analysts in a pretty easily accessible format. They have data that stretches back to 1790 all the way up through the present day, so it provides a relatively broad scope for each area of interest, as well as how they change over time and space. In order to create the variables that are displayed on my map, I had to first derive the percentage of females employed in these areas from the total female population. For this map, I followed the same process where I derived the percentage of male population employed in manufacturing from the total male population. Mapping the rates rather than the raw counts really shows a more simplified and consolidated representation of the data, and it also provides a reference point for the viewer. Showing a number out of 100% allows for an easier comparison than one-to-one. Both of these maps show pretty distinct patterns in the distribution of data. For example, in this map, we can see that the largest percentage of these high levels are consolidated along the eastern United States, particularly in the northeastern into the midwestern U.S., which correlates with what is traditionally considered the manufacturing belt. However, we can see this trend transitioning into the southern United States, which follows that pattern that the U.S. has experienced in relatively recent years from a fully manufacturing-based economy that's condensed in the northeastern region, now traveling down into the Sunbelt area. On this map, while we see a very different pattern, it's equally distinct. As opposed to the previous map, where all the data was located in a singular area, the data on this map is pretty equally distributed across the U.S., all with relatively high levels, showing a clear pattern of these high percentages dispersed over the whole country. I chose an equal interval scheme with 5 classes to display the information on the map. And what this does is it breaks up the data into equal intervals, relating back to the name, of about 12%. I chose, sort of mimicking that same idea, a singular color hue for each map, as you can tell, blue for this map, and pink for this map. And I chose this because it exhibits the data in a simple and clear manner, and in a way that is rather intuitive to map readers today based on our prior experience with maps. We're used to seeing values displayed low to high, so increasing the color value with the percentage value generally makes sense to most people and is easily understood. It also mimics the purpose of the map and further clarifies the map's intentions. Yes, that's about it. Thank you very much.